HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, today we're going to draw and paint a family. So much love. Right, let's start with the outlines. We're going to start with Mum, her hair and her face. Maybe you could even draw your mum. Nice collar on a shirt, some hands. Let's do a skirt and her legs and feet. Brilliant! Who's next? It is the daughter with a lovely little hair bow in her hair. Happy face, rosy cheeks. She's wearing a nice dress. Frilly at the bottom. Ooh, lovely. And her brother with some cool hairdo. He's a super cool dude. T-shirt with a smiley face on and some shorts. Last but not least, we've got Dad. Nice bit of curly hair, moustache. He's wearing a smart shirt there. Short sleeves, so we've got his arms too. We're showing his arms. And a tie. Stripes on that, pocket detail, some trousers, pockets. There you go. Ready to paint. Let's start with Mummy's hair. Brown. Or what colour is your mummy's hair? Maybe it's blonde, so you could use a yellow paint. Maybe it's black. Maybe it's blue. Peach for her face. Again, you can adapt the colours to suit your family if you like. Hands as well. And legs. She's not wearing ties. Pink for the rosy cheeks. And let's do her t-shirt pink as well. Lovely. And yellow for the collar and the sleeves and the belt. Let's go for purple for the bottom half. A lovely purple skirt. Red shoes, why not? And let's do a yellow hair bow for the little girl. And some nice pink rosy cheeks. Brown hair, just like her mommy. Lovely. Now a nice peachy face, just like her mommy. Hands and legs. Let's go for green now for her dress. Ooh, what a gorgeous, vibrant colour it is. Red for the collar and cuffs and the frills. And I think gold shoes. Ooh, look at that. Now brown hair for her brother too. This is a brown-haired family. And a peachy face. Maybe you could look at your family and see what clothes they're wearing and copy those designs and colours. Maybe they're wearing a hat. Maybe they have a purse or a handbag. Have a look and see what you can figure out. Red t-shirt for him. Yellow smiley face. And some blue shorts. Let's do dark blue shoes. Yeah, time for Dad. He's going brown haired too. Squiggly, squiggly, curly, curly. Don't forget the moustache. And a lovely peachy face as well. Perfect. And the ears. Arms and hands. Rosy cheeks, of course. Green for his belt and collar. Lovely. Ooh, we're going for a nice vibrant red colour at the top of his tie. And some yellow for the stripes. A lovely royal blue colour for his shirt. Super smart, don't you think? Just going around the pocket and the tie. We can do the pocket a different colour. Make it interesting. A light blue. Now we're going for gold for his trouser pockets and zip. And why not the rest of his trousers too? What colour shall we do his shoes? Blue! What a great idea. Match his pocket. And there you have it. A gorgeous, colourful, vibrant, sparkly family full of love. How did you do? Did you enjoy making that picture? I bet you loved doing it. Oh, me too. It was so much fun. See you next time. Hey kids, guess what? We're going to draw a dinosaur today. That's right. Ooh, let's start with the eyes. 2 small circles, 2 little arch eyebrows, a gorgeous bobbly hat. Now for the main body. And the legs and the neck. Feet, tummy. There. Bit of detail. That's right. Good job. And some stripes on the hat. Rosy cheeks, smiley mouth, nostrils. And you can't have a party without balloons, because I think it's this dino's birthday today. Fantastic! There! A little bit of flowery detail. Wow, what would you like to put on your dinosaur? Maybe some hearts? Maybe some stars? Right, let's paint. Gold first, for the bubble on our hat. And now we're going to do the stripes, multicoloured of course. I do love his party hat. Red tongue. Turquoise for the last stripe. Now let's go for some pink rosy cheeks. And flowers. There. Green next for the main body. Do you know much about dinosaurs? Can you think of any dinosaur names? How about T-Rex? How about Stegosaurus? Brachiosaurus? Can you think of any others? Pterodactyl? There were flying dinosaurs, swimming dinosaurs, walking dinosaurs, meat-eating dinosaurs, leaf-eating dinosaurs, just so many different types. There. Gold tummy. And brown toes. We'll do yellow for the centre of our flowers. Right, time to colour our balloons, starting with red. Ooh, lovely. And yellow. What colour shall we do our third balloon? How about purple? What a great colour. And done. And turquoise just for the finishing touches. Voila! You have one beautiful, party-tastic baby dinosaur. Aww. Hey kids! Would you like to draw and paint a baby stroller? Aww, that would be so cute. Okay, we are doing the bottom part and we've got 2 wheels, so that's a big circle, a smaller one inside it, an even smaller one in the middle, and then the spokes. 2 of those. So we're doing the same again. Perfect, well done. Then we're going to do the hood with a little bit of a frill on the edge. Some detail and the handle and a heart. How about the baby's hands reaching out for a hug? Blackening up the border. It really makes our colour stand out once we paint it. Right, ready to paint? Let's go for pale pink for the baby's hands. Kind of peachy pink. Oh, okay, green for the frills. Let's do every other segment green and pink in between. Wow, that is vibrant, don't you think? You can do yours any colour you like, of course. I'm going for blue next for the rim of the pram. And some brown for the handle. How about a dark brown on the end? Brilliant. And yellow for the main part, painting around my love heart. I love the colours yellow and blue next to each other. They look really cool. That's it. Okay, red for my love heart, of course. But you can be as creative as you like. Going for dark brown for the tyres. And yellow in the middle. How about purple in between every other spoke? And let's go for green next to the purple. That is cool and it matches the hood. Yes, same again on the other wheel, so dark brown on the outside. Yellow in the middle and then purple and green alternating. Wow, that looks so cool. Baby stroller, where are you? Here I am, green, purple too. Yay! That looks amazing! Well done! You did a great job!